Hello and welcome back to my channel, PiaDXplorer. Today we will be exploring last minute tips for how to prepare for online exams at home. With final exams just a few days away, here are some last minute tips that will help you plan better and also soothe your mind. How should you approach your revision tips, which will take off some pressure off of you when you're giving exams alone and from home? After about 17 years in formal education, most students are asked to take their final exams online in a different format than they've ever experienced. Remote exams are more flexible, more mindful of individual needs, and acknowledge the pressures of students are under. But let me give you the good news. There are many upsides, which I will reveal for you here. So stick around and let's begin with our last minute tips for preparation in exams. Tip number 1. Defining our goals is key so we can measure our progress and create a timetable to achieve these goals. Keep a goal in mind to achieve, then separate your study time to accomplish that. There are a few proven techniques in setting goals that you can use. Proven technique number 1. Write a clear goal on a paper or rough book. Technique number 2. Place it where it is easily visible. Technique 3. Create a specific action plan for each and every goal. Technique 4. Visualize yourself accomplishing them. Technique 5. But most importantly, celebrating once you accomplish each goal with a small treat. Tip number 2. Create a revision routine. First, decide what topics to cover and what kind of knowledge or learning the exam is testing. Tutors can help with this, as well as past papers and sample answers. Tip number 3. Set a routine. To ensure that each day is productively utilized, a routine is a must. Following a timetable ensures that students are able to allocate adequate timings to each academic subject, recreational activities, personal time, and even family time. Some of the steps we should keep in mind: making their weekend special. Parents can give rewards to kids. Remain calm and connected. Set a TV and playtime. Prepare the night before. By setting these rules, a student can ensure that he or she has time for every activity, be it related to study or home. 25 minutes of study followed by 5-minute break, then repeat. This is helpful if you feel overwhelmed by revision or struggle to stay focused. Tip number 4. Learn concepts, not just words. Start reviewing notes, lecture videos, and important source material. Learning concepts and ideas and not memorizing lots of text is the secret. Open book exams let you show you know how to apply learning, not what you can remember. But while this takes some pressure off, hunting for sources during a test can be very distracting. One solution is to make summary sheets with key ideas, quotes, and analysis. This active revision will help you in understanding and remembering information and also makes it easier to find what you need during the exam. Don't panic if you've left it late, though. Make a last-minute plan. Prioritize topics by the time available. So here is one superb technique that can help for those who are lagging behind the schedule. Fold a sheet of paper in half and fill one side with things you can control, such as meal times and bedtimes, and the other with things you can't. Then focus on doing the things you can control and let the rest take care of itself. Tip number 5. Tackle exam anxieties. Sitting exams online, alone, and during these times is a huge thing. It's okay to feel anxious or feel angry about it. There are also ways to manage the worries. Try to minimize stress by creating an exam space that is separate from your revision zone. Sit at a desk or the kitchen table, for example, rather than in bed. Exchange of knowledge. Students can have some feel of studying in a group and interactions by having informative conversations with family members in the house. Discuss their learning with friends over calls. Tip number 7. Reward yourself. Remember to treat yourself to a movie or game or anything you like when you finish the task for the day. It will keep you motivated to finish the work and look forward to doing something more and achieve. Tip number 8. Sleep well. Last but certainly not the least, in spite of this disruption to your normal routine, ensure you have proper sleep to feel charged for the day. Sleeping poorly or less adequately can make you lethargic and you can have difficulty in focusing. We hope these tips will help you in all your exams. Before we end this episode, we from PiaDXplorer team wishes you all best of luck for your exams. Stay safe and stay home. That's it for today. Zoom in next time for more fun facts. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a thumbs up, share my videos and comment down below. What are the new fun facts that you learned after watching this video?